Hi everyone! Today we're going to go over a brief tutorial on how to use our website. So the first thing that you want to do is search our library, mrcpl.org, or you can go to your search engine and type out Mansfield-Richland County Public Library, and it should pull it right up for you. Alright, so this will bring you to our homepage where lots of information lives. Starting at the top here, we have our 2-in-1 page, hours and locations, get a library card where our applications live, social media, and then my account that'll let you log into our catalog. And then we're going to go to our mega menu. So our about drop down will show you information like employment, policies, general information. On our browse drop-down, it will take you straight to our catalog where you can find more specified resources on the right side by age. Visit is a list of our branches and more about them, along with our bookmobile and meeting room information. Explore allows you to access our research databases like Ancestry, ABC Mouse, Gale, and more. And then we have services here, which are all sorts of different things we offer for community members. Last but not least, we have this little search button here on the right. You can click on this and then you can search our catalog or our website. So if you're looking for anything particular, you can go ahead and just click website and then you can search something like history and then click search and it'll find any record of history in our website. And if you ever want to get back to our homepage, you can just click that logo at the top. So next you have our upcoming events. And if you click on the button or one of the events, it should take you straight to our full event calendar where you can see everything going on. And you can search by month, week, today, or you can search for a certain program. Then here at the bottom of our page, you can subscribe to our monthly newsletters and see what's coming to the library each month. You'll just need a valid email to subscribe. Next, you can find any of our quick links that can take you to our upcoming titles, first call, or at the library. This is a booklet that we put out at all of our branches with all of our events for the month. And then last but not least, the footer of our webpage is a nice map that shows you all of our branch locations, and if you click on it, it'll give you their address. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment or reach out to us to learn more. Thanks!